Hi there, and welcome to Fluent English Story Vault. Get ready to listen closely. Repeat with confidence. Focus on every word. One day, you'll speak English fluently. Let's get started. She laughed at him in public. What happened next made the cafe silent. Rohan was very tired. He felt sad and a little hopeless. He wanted to quit his job at the cafe. Rohan was 20 years old. He came from India to study business management in a new country. To pay for his rent and school, he worked every day in a small cafe. It was a cold and rainy afternoon. The cafe was quiet and calm. The sound of rain was outside. Suddenly, the door opened with a loud noise. A group of students came in. They were Rohan's classmates. They laughed and talked loudly, making the cafe noisy. One of the girls, Sarah, saw Rohan. She smiled in a mean way and said loudly, "Hey, Rohan, are you still working in a coffee shop? I thought you had big dreams." Her friends laughed loudly. Another student joked, "Maybe he wants to be the manager of coffee cups." Rohan felt very hurt inside. He didn't say a word. He slowly walked back to the counter, feeling embarrassed. Then, one girl from the group said kindly, "Stop it. It's not nice to laugh at someone who works so hard." Sarah didn't care. She said, with a small smile, "It's just a joke. Don't be so serious." Near them, a man was sitting alone. He looked very smart and well-dressed. He had a book in his hand. He heard everything clearly. After a moment, he stood up. He walked over to Rohan and said kindly, "I saw what happened. You are polite, kind, and very hard-working. I was like you once. I came here as a student. I worked in a kitchen. Now, I own 2 companies." Rohan looked at the man. He was surprised and a little shocked. The man smiled and said, "Be proud of your job. Your future is very bright." Then the man left the cafe. The students became quiet. No one laughed again. Rohan smiled. He felt strong again. He didn't want to quit anymore. That day, one man's kind words gave him hope and strength to keep going.